Okay, this is the People versus Janine Ruffin, ticket number SP 1206949, count 1, disregard officer's signal, count 2, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Ruffin. State your full name, Ms. Ruffin.
Jenny Ruff.
And I'm sorry, count 3 was no proof of insurance. Go ahead, Mr. Barry.
Well, I'm not aware of an offer, Your Honor.
Oh, well, the offer is to plead to count 1, which is the disregard officer's signal, which I believe is a civil infraction.
It was Mr. Dillard's counsel. He's coming in now.
Oh, never mind, Mr. Barry. I think Mr. Dillard is.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Oh, all right. So, Mr. Dillard, you want to say your name for the record?
Joseph Dillard, P37225.
Okay, and this is Janine Ruffin. You had, how does she wish to proceed?
Your Honor, with respect to this matter, she wishes to take advantage of the plea offer.
Okay, and this is the civil infraction, correct?
In terms of the statute or whatever it is, I did not see that, so I'm not able to comment. But it's a delayed sentence, 3 months delayed sentence. If pleading to count 1, which is disregarding the officer's signal. I believe that's a criminal matter, Your Honor. But again, I don't have the ordinance in front of me.
Janine, right?
We're looking now.
Count 1, 2, and 3. Count 3 is civil infraction. Count 1 and 2 are misdemeanors.
Oh, okay, all right. Thank you. Ms. Ruffin, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Dillard today in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea?
No.
You're pleading guilty because you're of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You said that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 17, 2021 at approximately 1:44 a.m. on that date and time where you at or near the location of West McNichols and Lobster in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And were you driving a 2014 Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
And did you fail to disregard an officer's signal?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Dillard?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Stipulate the probable cause.
All right, so this is going to be set for a 3-month sentence. So, I'm sorry, 3-month delayed sentence. So let me look.
Thank you. August 1st.
So August 1st will be the
September.
September 1st will be the review date. There's going to be a fine, Ms. Ruffin, of $200. So you need to have that paid by September 1st, and no further tickets or citations or anything, and then this will be dismissed. So
Yes,
if you have a clean record and you've paid the fine, then you won't have to come back. But if you haven't paid the fine and you get tickets, you're gonna have to come back on September 1st at 8:35. Did you have any questions?
I do not.
Your Honor, what are the fines and costs that the court is imposing at this time?
$200.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Zozo
So
there.
you are all set, Ms. Ruffin.
I apologize. I'm at work in the bathroom.
I know you are. It's okay. okay, you don't have to apologize for that. I understand. So you're all set now.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr.
Have a good day.
Mr. Elberry, is Davis pleading or what?
Yes.
You go, Davis.
Those will probably be fine with that offer.
Mr. Berry,
Morning.
good to be working with you today.
Yeah, I'm gonna call you later.
Okay, well, let's move the docket. Let's go ahead and do it.
Okay.
Mr. Dillard, can we go to room 7?
I'm heading there right now on your request.
All right, Mr. Elberry, get ready to go on the record with, Davis.
We're gonna bring Mr. Davis out, correct?
I thought we was, yeah, we gotta bring Mr. Davis out. It's Gene Davis, right?
Yes, it is.
That's the one you talked to.
Yes,
He's
it
not
is.
in the breakout room nowhere.
Wow.
You must have lost him. Okay, Mr. Elberry, if it's possible, can you go into